So, new week, continuing with the roof. Let's move it like that, shall we? You can see slightly. I'll show you more in a minute. So, the issues with the wood has been resolved. Travis Perkins came round and replaced all the wood that was like a banana. Got my dead man up to help me put the roof on, because sometimes when you're putting the battens on one end, it'll fall down on the other. It just stops it falling down, and it saves me getting a to the head, you know. Yes, it's a hot day, very hot day. The kids will be out in a minute with me, so you'll see them wandering about helping. But yes, let's show you the roof. As you can see, spotlights are in. Obviously they're not wired up yet, but it's clicking on quite nicely. Down that end there, I've just got that last bit there to clip in. Top here is all nicely clipped in. We're gonna get all that in. Oh, let's put you back there. Right, so I've got to the point, as you can see here, where it gets close to the fan. Whoa, I really need to work on my camera skills. Got to the point where it gets to the fan, and this is where it gets a little bit tricky but fiddly. Now, if you're in a position where you're now getting to the fan and you've got to cut around it, I'm going to do it out of one long piece of wood, so it's a continuous flow, so there's no joins in the middle, yeah? Not that there's anything wrong with that, but I just want the style continuous long flow of wood, yeah? So, your best course is to make a little template, yeah? I tried a bit of cardboard, didn't work too well with cardboard, it was just awkward holding it there, where then I had to think, and I was trying to think of a better way to do it, and then I thought, it's easy to work with, it's not hard to maneuver about where you need to around little gaps. So I've measured from one point to here, so I know where it starts, and then I've just cut little tiny pieces of this aluminium foil all the way around the frame, yeah, so I know the shape that I need to cut from that point. So then, theory, and this could go horribly wrong, in theory, this should fit in quite nicely. In theory. We'll see. I'm hopeful, because I'm now going to try to take this off, and it's where it all goes wrong. But I now have, you see there, my rough shape template of what I need. So when I've got it like that and it's sticky, this bit of cardboard's not long enough. Or is it? It might work. I'll find a piece of cardboard long enough to stick it to the cardboard, so then I'm not going to lose it. Oh, I'm sorry, it's so hot. I'll tell you what, I've got one, why don't I use it? Not on full blast though. Oh, yes. Right. This should work. It might not. I did look at taking the frame off for this, but the whole frame comes out, but it's the whole under bit. So this plastic trim here doesn't actually come off. It's just the whole frame that comes off. I'd rather try and keep it on, but I think what I'm going to have to do is take it off anyway when I put the wood on, so I haven't got a fight against this, I think. I might try first hand to see if I can get away without having to take this off. This is a work in progress, okay? Trust the madness. Please. Hello, Cam.
Right, easy do this, guys. So, guys, this is a video I play that and down. Then I will. That. I just know. Right, so this is a band. A band. So, guys, this is a band out of video. So, this is going to be a best plan to do the best thing ever. But that's all. Yeah, well, guys, John to that that you do not. Okay? I know because that's not even do that. Okay? One question, then I'll stop calling the no if this is that. That's
Telling them.
I'm telling somebody. So just it, Dad. Dad, if you tried the ban, I would be scared. I'll be open these, then you might crash to the. Oh,
Oh, done at the wrong end. Well, not wrong end. I've gone in the wrong end. That way round.
yeah, the wrong end. So this is my place, Dad. So guys, your place, okay? So you say, oh, Dad, don't quite pretty, because I'm trying to get down, guys. Because I'm busy, because guys, Dad, guys, Dad, my teeth really, are still not very, can we go forward? Guys, Lamb, so begin. Dad, a flower for you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna give this for you, Dad. This is a special flower you really like.
So the delay on releasing on a Friday. Many things have been going on, but mainly, what do you think? Look at that. How cool is this? Cosmic Monkey. Top quality gear. So, we've now got our t-shirts and hoodies and a hat and all that stuff. And they've also promised to do a embroidered hat as well. So we'll see what that looks like also. So far with the clothes, highly recommend. Quality of the product's brilliant. Print, phenomenal. Even on the back. It's not like one of those ones where you have them printed on the back and you can always feel it. Range of different colours. I'll do a full showcase of them all next week. But to end off on this week's episode, as you can see, roof is done. Now, this batten here I've not put in yet because I've got to run some wiring through the next week when I do the shore hookup and the bulkhead, so I need to be able to get in there. But it's all done really rock and roll. All in all, I think that looks brilliant. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate all of your interactions with the videos. If you can like, share, subscribe, follow us on Facebook, all of that really helps us. And thank you ever so much. I'll see you next week. Bye.